What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're at Kinston Dragway for the 252 list shakeup. We're all going for that #1 spot, trying to move up the list and not down. All right, guys, here we go. We got 3 rounds of drag racing coming up. Let's try to get some win lights. All right, guys, well, that's it. That's the 3 rounds of racing of the list shakeup. And you can see the #1 on the list remains the same. #2 remains the same. The Bulldozer is what they call Rick Bostic's car, and it is dominating the list this year. It is a super fast car, going to be super hard to beat. and it's just unbelievably quick. Those guys are having a heck of a season. We did manage to make it to spot number 5, and in 2 weeks, we're going to try to move up the list and possibly get to that number 3 spot. Y'all go fast, get some win lights, and comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.